how to draw with Auto Doodle Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, open up the picture that you would like to edit, and then tap on the edit button. Next in here, tap on the tap on the drawing button right here. So decorations, and then you want to tap on this pen icon right here. From here, usually it will offer you to use basic pen, but here we're going to choose Auto Doodle Pen. Auto Doodle. Here you can change the shape of the pen, and you can also change the transparency as well. And lastly, you can change the color. Okay, so close that window. And let's say if you want to draw a house, so we draw a shape of the house, and it offers you some kind of shape right here that you can use. If you're happy, tap on the tick box. And here you can choose other shapes. So I'll leave it, so I cancel that. So let's choose a star. Here it offers some shapes. You can scroll across to see if you can find a suitable shape. If not, you can undo that and then draw a different shape. So here's a star shape. You can drag it to make it bigger or smaller. Okay, and then tap on the tick right here to save the changes. And from there you can draw in the color. So you can just draw it in. You might need to zoom in to draw a perfect fill, but that's basically how you can use Auto Doodle to draw. So whatever it is that you need to draw, just draw it on, and then it will bring up a shape for you. So a moon shape, so there it is. And then tap on the tick to accept. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.